Anne here again. I was going through my scraps the other day because they seemed to be mounting up again, and I painstakingly spent the afternoon sorting them all out into their predominant colours, and I ended up with some A4 plastic bags full of, one was predominantly pink and yellow and blue, etc. So it was quite easy for me to grab a bag today to sort out the bits I wanted for this tag. And as scrapbusters go, this would be one of the best, or one of the ones that I like to do the most. So as you can see, it's just made up of strips of different paper. I'd like to make one with you if that's okay. First thing you're going to need is a tag shape. And I'll just bring in my scrap pieces. Alright, so we just need some papers that will go well together. And I'm not going to cut them, I'm going to use my tear ruler, because I want a nice deckled edge. And it's important to go along the edge with just highlight it with your archival inks. Now, if you need a good coverage. I don't like to keep stamping on the pad, it just dries up my pad too quick, so I just put a couple of drops of the re-inker for the pad on my actual tool here, and that lets me put on a nice thick layer without any trouble. Alright, and we start at the bottom, so I'll just run a line of glue along the bottom and place that so it just overhangs the bottom of the card like that. And then I'll get the next one. So I'm tearing them all approximately the same width. And then I'm just going to overlap by a tiny bit with the next one, like so. Don't worry about the edges, we'll trim those up later. Got these other strips that are left over. You see, you can use up the tiniest pieces on this idea. Now if you want to, just for something completely different, you could maybe alternate the layers with some lace or ribbon. I think that would look nice. got it all covered now. Silly me, just noticed I used two of the same, but I don't suppose it matters. Now turn it over and trim it up. Okay, I just make the corners tag shaped. And keep these little bits for the next one, and the rest are for the bin. Alright, so there we have it. Little hole, got these little self-adhesive reinforcements. That's ready for a ribbon. Just go around the edge again. I think that's really pretty. I do like them. As Scrapbusters go, this has got to be one of the top ones as far as I'm concerned. Now look, I must have had the same ideas as I was using up the same scraps. Alright, bit of fun. I hope you managed to get through some of your scraps. We've all got too many. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon in the next video. Have fun crafting. Bye for now.